Welcome to the installation guide for H&K's station guide holders. To get started, remove the 4 station guide holders and 16 sets of mounting hardware from the box. Each station guide holder will use 4 mounting sets. Remove the hardware sets from the bags and clip 1 set onto each of the 4 corners of the station guide holder. The open-ended hook with the adjuster cylinder is the end that you will clip to the holder. Look at the ceiling grid above your prep table to determine which 2 ceiling tile supports you will attach the 4 ceiling clips to. 2 clips on each side of the holder. You will want to pick the 2 supports that allow your station guide holder to be placed in the center of your prep table and allow the cords to be straight up and down as possible. Tile supports that run perpendicular to the prep table are ideal supports to attach your ceiling clips to. Lay the holder flat on the prep table with the track side down. Start by taking the clip that is attached to the right side corner closest to you. With another person holding the left side of the holder, climb the ladder and place the clip onto the ceiling tile support. To attach the clip, hold the clip as shown. Push the edges of the clip up and over the ceiling support, then rotate the clip into place. The edges of the clip will snap into place. Take the second clip and attach it to the ceiling support. Attach this clip 6 inches further from you than the first clip. Repeat this process for the left side of the holder. Ensure the clips are secured to the ceiling grid by pulling on each cord. Adjust the height angle of each line. To lower the holder, press and hold the button on top of the adjuster to feed the cord through the adjuster. To raise the holder, simply pull the wire through the adjuster. Please note, the front top 2 wire adjusters control the height of the holder. The back bottom 2 wire adjusters control the angle of the holder. Slide the holders forward or backward on the ceiling support to place it in the ideal position. Once the holders are in the ideal position, use wire cutters to trim the excess wire. Leave at least 6 inches of wire for any additional adjustments that may be needed. Place the station guides into the holder using one of these 2 methods. Repeat these steps for side 2 of the prep table and sides 1 and 2 of the UHC table for breakfast items. For additional installation support, please contact H&K International at 214-818-3636. Thank you.